we got the Celery bit, we got the servers running, and yeah, let's create a task. So let's go here and then to stories, because we're like this will be happening in stories. Let's create a new file. This file will be tags.py. Save that. So the first thing that you need to, as you can see here in the Django documentation, we need to import shared task, right? Let's copy that, paste it here, and yeah, and we can start from there. So I'm just going to create a simple task. Let's add, and let's see. You can just create like a print, so you can see, oh, if this is my like tasks are running and stuff. But let's actually jump to the task, and I'll just, this one I will name it check stories and date. And we need to import, of course, the models. So from stories that models import, let's import story and story string. Okay. Also, let's import from date time, import date time and time delta. And you will see what we're going to use this for. So here, let's create a variable called like expiration date or F date, I don't know. This one will be like date time now, because we're going to check the date time now, minus time delta. So hours. So here, so here you're going to like put the like the amount of hours that you want to, basically that will be your expiration date. You can put like 24 hours, that's the common one, but I'm gonna put 1 hour just for this is just for testing purposes. If you want to like 24, you just change it there, it's fine. So 1 hour. So our stories will expire in like every, like after 1 hour, basically. So let's get the story. So let's put the old stories will be story, oops, story that object that filter, and then we're going to check, let me see, it's the date, posted underscore LT, right? And then here we put the expiration date, basically, right? So that's for the, we're going, now here we're getting all the stories that have like basically like they're like after this date, right? Yeah, so here, as you can see, so we're getting the time, and then we're like taking 1 hour back. That's how we're getting our expiration date. And yeah, pretty simple. So now here, we're going to do, if you go to the administration and you see like the stories, you see they're not expired because of course we don't have the, but they're like over, 1 hour, because for this tutorial, like this storage run like probably like more than 3 days, I guess. But yeah, they're over expired. So when we run like this task, it will mark them as expired. So now we're going to storage.update, and then we're going to update the let me see. Okay, expired. The expired field, and then just true, right? Okay, pretty much. And then you can just, I don't know, it's not necessary, but let me just set this print here. Stories updated, just to see if this runs. Okay, this is for the check storage date. So yeah, we have like everything now. Let's actually rerun the server. Let's run the server again, and now let's check the admin here. Periodic tasks. We don't have any tasks, but let's add one. And as you can see here, when you click in the combo box here, you have like stories, task, checked storage date. This is the task that we just created. Yeah, as you can see, it's there. So let's name it check dates or expire. I don't know. Expire. Right. Let's just type down one. Description. Check for expire stories. So here, like for the schedule, so you have like multiple options, and actually, of course, I want to add like an interval. So as you can see, yeah, let's add that one. Number of periods, intervals, let's run like minutes. One, I want this task to run like every 1 minute. You can choose to, I'm just doing like one just for testing. Okay, and then let's click save. And save here. Okay, and as you can see, here we have enable interval schedule every minute. Okay, now we need to basically start a worker. Let's start a new process here. Let's open a new terminal. Let's go to our folder. Okay, okay, so to run our worker, we need to Celery A, and now Instagram clone worker, and then hyphen L, and then info. No more. Oh, okay, let's open I think okay, let's go here. Okay, so when we registered the so when we created this file, we need to change the name of like here of this file. That's why like trying to find this project name, but it's it's not working because here we need to change this. Okay, let's put the name of our project, in this case Instagram clone, and then let's change it here, Instagram clone. Okay, let's save that, and then okay, that's here. Okay, let's run again, and okay, it's running. Make sure that you have like this oh, and as you can see here, like it just detected the task, start task. Okay, so so now the tasks are like running, I mean the worker are running. Now we need to run the Django Celery bit that basically will like notify the worker like, hey, run these tags now. Yeah, well, basically like the broker will do that job. Yeah, let's go Django let's activate environment, remember, here inside the project. Okay, so to start the Django Celery bit, you have like here tell you how to do that. Here, oh, here, so let's go here, Celery A, and then project name, in this case Instagram clone, bit L info hyphen scheduler, and then oh crap, okay. Django Celery bit, that's schedulers. Make sure that you don't have a typo here, it won't run. Okay. We can just copy that actually. Let's copy that. Let's go here. Just making sure that we don't have a typo, right? Instagram. Okay, let's hit enter. Let me just make it bigger here just for you to see. Okay. And then let's hit enter. Oh, like info should be like capitalized apparently. Okay, hit enter. Okay, this is very interesting. So So we're having like this error here, like schedulers. When I was like messing with that, I found out that when they updated here, this is the GitHub project. So here, let me see. And schedulers like line 11 here, as you can see. This is the old, basically like, oh, 1 second. Oh yeah. So from Celery import scheduler, so basically like here, so the encoding that they use, this one, as you can see here, they rename it to combo.utils encoding, because this is where like these utilities are now, not in Celery utils encoding. There is actually right now, there is a ticket, a pull request to fix that problem. I don't know why they haven't like accepted. I don't know why. I was about to make a pull request to fix that, but they haven't. So just in case you're like you install it and like shows that error to you, let me show you how to fix it. So basically what you need to do, you go to your project, right? Lib, here, what is the error? Seriously, oh, here. Okay, go to this path, Django Celery schedule. Okay, let's go here. Django Celery. Oops. Here. So let's open schedulers. Okay. So as you can see here, they are still like trying to import save STR and save representation from here. So let's just copy that and I paste it here. Yeah, just put from combo.utils encoding import save str and save. And this one, and yeah, let's just save that, because you have like these, you have like combo. So yeah, and also like here in Celery, if you go to the Celery documentation, you can see like here this model has been moved to combo utils encoding. You see? Yeah, I don't know why they haven't like implement the fix here. So yeah, just to let you know. Okay, we save. Now that I save, let's run. Okay, it's running. So we just need to wait 1 minute and then we check the. Okay, let's go here. The stories. These are our 3 stories. You see? It's not checked yet, and then let's wait 1 minute. Let's open the other process. Let's see. No. can use this one. Oh, there you go. You see, sending, and then this send the task, and then this receives the task, as you can see. Oh, let's go down. And as you can see, this is the worker and this is the print. As you can see, just storage updated, and then you can see succeeded in 0.0 seconds, none. Okay, it says that it succeeded, so let's refresh here, and then let's go here, and as you can see, now it's showing expired because this is 1 day old. Yeah. Okay, it's okay, it's working. So it's identifying the expired stories, but what we need to do now, we need to basically like delete the story and the story string that is like basically that old, or like mark as expired. So let's go to stories, tasks. Now let's create a new task. Share tags. Let's name it delete expired. So story dot objects dot filter, and then expired equals true. So let's get all the stories that are like true, and then let's just delete them. Easy. So now, so what we need to do, so when a person, because let's say that we just delete that story, right? It won't show on the other story string, but it will get to a point where the story string it's like empty because like all the stories expired. So when that happens, so story, let me check. Yeah, story. So when story it's none, which means they don't have like any, because we delete all of them, all the stories that expired. So let's delete. Okay, let's save that. Yeah. Oh, and as you can see, it's still like running and stuff. You can pause that. Yeah, Control C. Let's pause that. We don't need to pause the worker. Oops. We don't need to pause the worker. Let's just pause the worker because this will keep like. Oh no, just yeah, don't worry. So these are the story streams for users, as you can see, 3 posts. But first, what I want to do, I want to post something now with Bill Gates, so you can see that just deletes the that story particular, right? Let's log out. Let's go to Gates. Okay, new story. I don't know. let's pause that one portion. Okay. Okay, here we go. This is our the new one. So let's log out and let's go to the admin. And as you can see, the 4 stories are being added to that user. This is the story number 4. So when we run the new tags, this should be the only one available. So let's go. Let's create a new interval. This one should be, let's run it every 2 minutes, right? Oh, okay, wait. Priority task. Okay. Priority tags here. Okay, we're adding this task. Let's call it delete expired. Okay, then let's choose delete expired. Interval. Let's add a new one. Now let's put 2. Select every 2 minutes. Save. Okay, save. Here we go. Every 2 minutes, every 1 minute. Enable. Okay, now let's run the beat. Reset here. I don't need to see this. This one should go down. Okay, this is the worker. This is the beat. Let's just run it. Apparently we've messed it up. Let's just copy the whole thing again. Oh, this is the beat. Yeah. Let's stop the beat. We actually stopped the worker. Funny thing. Okay. That's what I'm like, wow, why is it not showing? Anyway, let's just this is the beat, and then this is the worker. Okay, here we go. Oh, you got the okay, here's a worker. Let's just wait. Let's just wait for the ta-da-dan. Let's move these here. Oh, just received one. Check stories. Stories updated. If we go now to our stories, and as you can see, this one it hasn't expired because if it's after 1 hour, remember. Yeah, let's just wait for the other one. For the delete stories. Okay, got the check stories again. The delete story should be soon. Oh yeah, here you go. Sending do tags, and as you can see, we receive it and succeeded. That's the delete expired task. Now let's check. Let's refresh, and then let's check the stories. And as you can see, just this one because it has expired. And if you check the story streams, there are still 4 because there is still 1 story stream here, but the other ones disappear. So when so basically when this story expired and gets deleted, this story stream will be empty with none here. So when it's none, remember that we have remember that this task here will just come out like, oh, this is empty, goodbye. And yeah, pretty much that's how you basically create tasks, and you can just create all your tasks here for stories here. So for post, remember that we have like string, right? And for post, for string, we don't have like anything add here. So basically, if the user posts a bunch of stuff, we will have like lots of like objects for those. So what you can do, you can create like check the day for after 24 hours or 48 hours and delete those story streams. You don't need to delete the post, of course, because you don't want the post to disappear, but just the post streams, you can delete them, and so you don't have like a bunch of stuff there. And I think that's how you're supposed to do it. But yeah, just do that. You can do it. If you have like any problems working with this with the workers and like the Django Celery bit, just let me know. I hope that they update the fix, so you don't have to do what I did, like hard coding, like fixing schedulers. But yeah, it should be just, yeah, if you're having that problem, like, hey, we cannot find this in coding, just remember, just type that in line 11 to fix it. Let's hope they fix it. But yeah, if you have like any problems like working, just let me know in the comments. And yeah, this is for now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.